This video will show you how to replace your upstream O2 sensor on this Toyota Corolla. This will be located along the back side of your engine. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The upstream O2 sensor is going to be located just along the rear of the engine, right down here. To give us a little bit more access, go ahead and remove your engine cover. This should move around fairly easily. Typically it's clipped down in some way. Just carefully pull up along all corners and remove it from the engine compartment. With the cover out of the way, we'll just reach right along the back side of the engine. If you were to look just below where this hose is, up along the top of the valve cover, you're going to see our electrical connector. Go ahead and follow that wire all the way down, and that's where the O2 sensor is. It's right in your exhaust pipe, but let's start up along the top. In this area, we're going to start disconnecting our electrical connector. There's a small locking tab. Just go ahead and squeeze in on that locking tab. It's right where my index finger is, and then pull down on the connector. As you continue following this down, you're going to find that there's another mounting point. It's a small metal hook. We can reach along through the side here. We should be able to pull that out of place. It's fairly hard to see, but typically if you just work it around, it will slide out. Now it's time for that O2 sensor down at the exhaust pipe. If you have some penetrant, go ahead and spray some on there. To get the O2 sensor out of there, we need an O2 sensor socket, an extension, and we'll just be using a 3/8 ratchet. I'm going to come down along this area in between the air filter housing and the engine. You have ample space to be able to get in this area. When you attempt to remove the O2 sensor, you're going to find that it doesn't go out straight. It's out actually diagonal, so you want to be careful not to hit up against the firewall as you continue on. We're going to have to do an abrupt movement here, see if we can get this to break free. Now I'm going to remove my tool and remove the O2 sensor. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of the brand new O2 sensor, let's make sure we clean our exhaust port. Just going to use some fine sandpaper. We'll give this a light scuffing, confirm that we have good contact with the brand new O2 sensor. Now it's time for installation of the brand new O2 sensor. We're going to take this and bring it into position. We're starting it in by hand, so we're sure we're not cross-threading it into the wrong position. As you install this, make sure you do not twist your wiring harness. This can cause damage. Let's bring this straight through this port here, all the way down to the exhaust pipe. I've got that bottomed out by hand. Now I'm going to snug it. The torque for this will be 32 foot-pounds. Okay, that's snug with my ratchet. There we are. Remove your tool. We have the O2 sensor torqued. The next thing we'll do is make our way all the way up to the top. We're going to connect in our electrical connector, and then we'll make sure we secure it in the center. Audible click there. Bring this down. Before we get out from behind here, one more quick inspection to confirm that the wire will not get caught on anything. After that, we can reinstall our engine cover. As far as installing that engine cover, we'll just have a look along the bottom. You're going to find that you have rubber grommets. Those need to align with their proper tabs. Line it up, press it on. Double check to make sure it's secure. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our Upstream O2 sensor. The next thing you want to do is start up the vehicle and let it run for a short while. Confirm you have no exhaust leak from that O2 sensor. Aside from that, take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.